Hello, this is Ryan Singling Berry. We're doing enrichment for my rabbit. So this is his setup. So this was his original house. But usually rabbits, especially domestic rabbits, like to maintain that house, and they'll often bite it and chew on it. But you can see there is nothing of that going on here. This is still his play area, so he's taken interest. So yeah, there's no bite marks or anything, and he doesn't ever go in it, and so he just doesn't see it as a home. This lack of chewing has also been noticed as he's been chewing on our cables. So yeah, that's one of the phone cables. It's just chewed through it. So he definitely needs something he can call a home and something that he can chew on to satisfy his natural behaviors. So his enrichment items are a bundle of sticks here, and that'll act as a supplement for his wires chewing, so that'll help wear down his teeth. The other thing is a box burrow, which you can see here. So this has a ton of shredded paper inside. You can see right in there, but in the center. And that will allow him to have a home. And you can see that he does actually see that this is his home. He's been chewing on it. Loves chewing on it. And that'll also help wear down his teeth, which is his natural behavior. Any hazards from his enrichment would be if he consumed any of the plastic tape. And that's why the tape was only put in areas that weren't expected to be chewed on. So holes were pre-made, which we would allow him to chew through, so there was no tape in the areas of the holes. And for the sticks, there could be insects and pathogens on them, so that just checked before for any signs of pests on them before we give them to him. Maintenance of these enrichment items is to just replace them. Like when these sticks get worn down, they'll just be thrown out in the bin and more sticks will be collected and bundled together. And for the boxes, once he's chewed them down enough and made a bunch of holes so it's unrecognizable as a burrow anymore, you just get some more boxes and stitch them together in a different order as well to make it entertaining for him again. These enrichment items were very successful, as he's no longer chewing on cables, instead he's playing and chewing on the bundle of sticks and on his box burrow. Yeah. Any improvements could be to have a large plastic box in his burrow, and that could be filled with dirt or something harder like a paper pellet cat litter, and that may be more fun to dig in.